Yeah, this is laterite, you know. But you can see.
You mean that black is lateritic coating?
Yeah.
Lateritic upper layer, yeah?
This iron tube, you have one xenocrystal of ilmenite, and you have another with small ilmenites.
In my experience, when you have ilmenite megacrysts, they always will be polycrystalline.
Yeah.
And that's true not only of ilmenites, that all megacrysts are polycrystalline, like garnet, CPX, olivine, they all will be in small crystals with slightly misoriented orientation.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.